Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Summer is here and the wait is finally over. Whenever we think of summer, the first thing that comes into our mind is mango. As it is the king of the fruits, it truly has an amazing flavor and taste that no other fruit can replace it. From kids to adults, everybody love to have this fruit. With such an amazing fruit, I'm going to show you an amazing pudding recipe in an easy and simple way. So watch the video till the end. So first of all, here I have taken Alfonso mangoes. I'm showing you 4, but I have used only 3. So wash it nicely and then you need to slice it like this, and then take a bowl, and then with the help of a knife you need to slit like this in horizontal and vertical lines, and with the help of a spoon you need to scrape the entire pieces into the bowl as shown here. If this is an easy process, you can repeat this process with the remaining mangoes also. See, only the peel is left like this, so you need to add the remaining pieces into the bowl. If you can't prepare if you can't peel like that, you take a peeler and then remove the outer skin of the mango as shown here, and with the help of a knife put horizontal and vertical slits as shown here, and with the help of a knife only scrape the entire mango pieces into the bowl. Now those who love mango seeds and eating the flesh, you can leave it for them, otherwise scrape as I have shown here. Now I have got 1 full cup of mango pieces into it. Now take a blender and add the entire mango pieces into it and blend it finely into a paste or puree. Now my mango puree is all ready. I have added raw milk here. So the bowl with which I have taken mango pieces, with that same bowl I am adding, that is the same quantity, 1 full cup of mango pieces and 1 full cup of raw milk. With that same cup I have added half a cup of sugar into it. Now sugar, it depends on your taste. If you prefer less sugar, you can reduce the quantity, and then blend it into a homogeneous mixture or puree as shown here. Take a bowl and add the entire mango puree into the bowl and put it aside. Now take another bowl and add 4 tablespoons of corn flour and 1/4 milk and stir it nicely till there are no lumps in the bowl. Now you need to prepare a corn flour paste and then put it aside. Now here I am showing you only 4 tablespoons, but later I needed some more, so I have added another 2 more tablespoons, and then I have prepared this recipe. So please put it in mind, and then you need to place the bowl on the stove and you need to cook it on low flame. You can see that the mixture is little bit thinner or water or pouring like consistency. It has become into a pouring consistency rather than thick consistency, because we have put it on stove and we are cooking it right with the milk. So it has turned to pouring like consistency. Now after 1 hour of stirring continuously on low flame, we need to add our corn flour paste. Before adding corn flour paste, you need to stir it with the spoon and then add it simultaneously with both your hands and stir it continuously. Otherwise, there are chances that you may form lumps in the mango puree. Now the flame should be on low and then you need to stir it continuously. There are chances that if you put on high flame and cook this puree, you may burn at the bottom, and that flavor won't be in a good condition. So put it on low flame and cook it, and then you can see the bubbles on top of it, they're formed, and that is when you get the perfect consistency, and you can see that it's leaving the pan. Now this is the correct time to switch off your flame and put the pan aside. Now take some bowls in which you're going to serve this pudding, and then grease it with oil or butter or ghee as your wish. Now add the mango puree into the bowls little by little, and then dab it gently so that there won't be any air bubbles in it. Please do take care because that's very hot. So with the help of a cloth or something, you dab it, and then you can allow it to cool at room temperature, and then only you need to refrigerate or chill for 3 to 4 hours. And after 3 to 4 hours, tada, our mango pudding is all ready. So see, this is so simple, and also trust me, this has an amazing flavor and taste. This is so simple, right? So with your entire family you can try this and you can enjoy this recipe. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to come with some more amazing mango recipes soon. So please do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. By following the quantities of the ingredients in this video, you can also prepare an amazing mango pudding as I have shown here. Now you just can't stop this with 1 spoon. Trust me, you will completely finish the entire dish. So do give it a try, and also please subscribe. If you like this, please share, comment.